Hello, Wildcats. We are learning today about matter. We're continuing growing our brains about matter. Remember, matter is stuff that everything is made of. Okay, everything has matter. And remember our physical properties about it, stuff that we can see, touch, taste, smell, and hear. Okay, so those kind of properties we want to learn about our objects. So your assignment today is going to look like this. You guys are going to be doing a matter scavenger hunt. So the first thing that you are going to do is write your name. Okay? And I want you to find 5 items at your house and describe their physical properties in the chart below. So I found my 5 objects. I found this bus. Okay? My base 10 blocks. Okay, my rods. A blue pen, our math workbook, and my drink from Jack in the Box. Okay, so you are going to take each of these items. So I will start with this blue pen. Okay, so its name is a pen. And the color of it, it's blue. So we're going to put blue. Now when I fill over this, it's pretty smooth. Okay, so for the texture, I'm going to put smooth. If it wasn't smooth, I would have chosen rough. Temperature, is it hot or is it cold? I haven't used it in a while, so it's kind of cold. Okay, so I'm going to put cold. Is it flexible? Not so much. Okay, so I'm going to put no. Is it a solid, a liquid, or a gas? It is a solid. Okay, now I want you to go through on your paper. You're going to have it in a Google document. Okay, I will attach this to your assignment. On yours, I want you to go down and write all 5 of your objects that you found. Okay, and tomorrow we're going to do something really cool with these items. Okay, we're going to continue our matter scavenger hunt.